Morning, this is Michael Zippy, dude. What do you need to bring when you come to the car dealership? Always bring your driver's license. If you don't have a driver's license, it really limits the number of banks we can even use. Number two, bring an ability to pay for a down payment, whether that's cash, debit, credit, or check. Bring that along so that you can put money down if you have to. Three, bring your pay stubs, your recent pay stubs. If your credit's under 700, probably under 600 for sure, bring your last pay stub. And really just keep an open mind as to what car you might pick out, because most of the time people have an idea of what they want when they show up, and they end up leaving with a different car, because until you're driving it, looking at all the features, you may or may not know what type of car you even want. So keep an open mind and let's have some fun. We'll get you in a new car or a used car today.